ouch! Nigga, you're gay. Everyone, this nigga right here is Calvin. By Malo, he's gay. He's single. Stop! This Karina Fapuno, her graduation's next week.
Me too.
Early congrats.
Say me.
This nigga Calvin's gay.
My graduation.
His boyfriend's name is Anna.
Let me say something, girls. You want to come see me? Girls, if you want to come see me, just call me.
2899, 283. Woo! Ask for Calvin and by Malo. Like, tell Anna. Watch Anna beat his ass. Ooh,
I believe.
hey! Vanessa Fapuno.
Okay, you know what?
She gained so much weight.
All in my feet.
And there's Spee. Say hello.
You know what this reminds me of? You already know.
You're stupid.
You already know.
Say hi.
Hi! Congratulations, Gilbert!
Say congrats. Say congratulations, GbERT. Say baby.
Yeah.
Say congrats, dude.
Congrats, GbERT. I mean, you did it. Whoa.
You're awesome, dude. Oh my gosh.
You're beyond awesome. You're an awesome fanatic. Fantastic. You're awesome fanatic.
Yeah, we have to eat after. There's Lala, GbERT's girlfriend. She's here to support him. Trina. Bitch. Where's Scylla go? Scylla. Say congrats to GbERT. Congrats.
Congratulations. Gotta pick up trash now.
Say congrats to GbERT.
Hi, Bubbles.
Hi, Bubbles.
All of it.
Hi, Bubbles.
Sad. Pick it all up.
Say congrats, dude.
Congrats, GbERT. You still didn't pick up all this garbage.
Congrats.
Gilbert, we love you. Look at that mess.
All these people who came to support GbERT's graduation.
Look at it.
Oh, it's recording, dude. Say hi. Hi, Sally.
Stop. Right here.
All my handsomes awake. Handsomes. Smile. Say hi. Say congrats to GbERT. Congratulations. All these people came to congrats. Retarded. Oh, it's recording. All right.